Hello, today I'm going to show you what is a try and catch block, or rather what is an exception. Okay, so here I've got some code. I'm going to run this code. This code has got, it's got a division here. So I've got the scanner object, I've got int, which is a larger, I've got double, which a double result, which is 0. I've got system out print done, and then I'm going to ask the end user to enter a number, and here I'm going to use the scanner to read the number and update the variable smaller with the number that I've received from the end user. And now it's going to divide larger by smaller, and it's going to then say whatever that is, and then it's going to say that we've reached the end of the program. Okay, now I'm going to run this. So you'll see this is extremely simple example. Okay, now enter a number. Okay, I'm going to say enter a number 1. Okay, and the computer then runs the rest of the code. Okay, so it prints out in the try block and prints out the end. So it prints out those two lines as well. But now the larger divide by 1, so if smaller is 1, the computer won't get any error because it's easy to divide by 1. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make user error. I'm going to make a user error. So enter a number, I'm going to enter 0. Okay, and when I press enter, oh dear, the computer gives me an error message. Okay, and can you see it gives me an error message all in red, and it does not print the rest of the code. So in other words, when the computer encountered the error, it stopped abruptly, didn't do anything else, and just put this red error on the screen. Now the exception is, the reason why I use try and catch blocks, or why I deal with exceptions, is because I want to avoid that my end user see that red error. I don't want the end user to see this exception and thread and whatever, because the end user doesn't need to see that. Okay, it's no good. Okay, and also I want the rest of my program to still carry on running. So that is why I use a try and catch. Now I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to type here try, curly bracket. I'm going to put curly bracket here at the end, so I put these two lines in a try and a catch block, in a try block. Okay, now I'm going to say catch, and I'm going to put here exception E. Okay, and E will tell me exactly which error has been encountered. So I'm going to print here error, and I'm going to put E as well. Okay, so this catch block, I must have a catch for a try. For every try, I must have a catch. The reason why I've got a try is for in case I have an error, then I don't want the computer to bomb out and stop. I want him to run whatever's in the catch. If there is no error, the computer will complete the try and it will complete what comes after the try and catch. But if I do get the error, the computer would then skip over the rest of the try block and go to the catch block, execute what's in the catch block, and then execute what's after that. So here I just say catch, exception E. Okay, so I can't have a catch without a try, and I can't have a try without a catch. I'm going to run this. So now I'm going to enter 0 again. Enter a number, I'm going to enter 0. Okay, and what happens is my computer prints this, and it also prints the end. So the rest of the program has been executed, and what is in the catch block has been executed. And that is all.